Hey folks, Justin Marshall Riley, aka the Band Geek Dad here. If you've ever been working on an orchestral score in Musescore and you end up with something like this, where you have measures hanging off of the bottom of the page, and then in the next page it looks just fine, I'm going to show you how to fix that in 60 seconds or less. You won't believe how simple this is. Stick around. Okay, so if you're new to working with orchestral scores in Musescore or in any program in general, you know that when you add certain things to certain parts of the score and certain systems, it will either expand or make the score or system contract, which is why you get these differences here where it hangs down below the page here and is just fine for the most part right here. So here's the really easy way to fix this, guys. You're not going to believe how easy this is. You're going to go to Format. You're going to go to Page Settings. You're going to go down to here where it says Scaling and Staff Space, and just start clicking slowly this down arrow until everything looks good. I clicked it twice. Boom. I hit OK. Look at that. Everything is large enough that I can still read it. It doesn't look crammed. And the best part is it's all even. Look how everything is even on the top and the bottom. So again, all we had to do is go to Format, Page Settings, and adjust the scaling, and you're good to go. This has been your Musescore tip here from Justin Marshall Riley, aka the Band Geek Dad here. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like what you saw here today, if you want to get more tips and just see what I'm doing here at Band Geek Dad. God's blessings to you now and always.